If you've been dreaming of living in a beautifully decorated, cozy, relaxing home, but you've always thought it was impossible because your space is too small, too dated, or you're renting, then today's episode is just for you, my friend. We're going to talk about today's most current design trends and how you can easily and quickly afford to incorporate them into your home, no matter the size and no matter your budget. Let's go. I'm Shannon, small space decor and organization expert, and I'll teach you how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget, whether you're living in a small home by choice or by chance. If I can do it, you can too. So let's embrace small space freedom together and create a haven we love to come home to. The first decor trend that can really update your home is adding a touch of glam. Now, even if you've never tried this kind of decor before, just a few elements can bring a fresh, airy look to your surroundings. And I'm going to show you how to achieve a touch of glam on a budget. Reflective surfaces and neutral monochromatic colors can revitalize your outdated space quickly and inexpensively. You'll want to start by choosing a soothing base color palette like creams, grays, or pastels for linens and pillows. And then next, evaluate your furniture and perhaps spray or chalk paint a few pieces with an updated, fresh coat of paint. Now, one of the quickest and least expensive options for updating your space with a touch of glam is replacing mismatched or dated fixtures. Look for inexpensive ways to add reflective surfaces, like using these chargers from Dollar Tree for table settings and even for simple wall art. These neutral storage boxes from Hobby Lobby will hold your clutter and also update your shelf space for just a few dollars. Consider bringing in a few pieces of modern art by simply framing a set of beautiful scrapbook paper designs like these I found at Hobby Lobby for under $10. You can simply cut these to fit frames you already own, and you'll have updated modern artwork on an extreme budget. If you're getting some great ideas, let me know by clicking that like thumbs up button. Even if you can't paint your whole room, changing just one wall only requires a small amount of paint, and it can really update the entire space quickly. I recently updated my dingy bath towels for just $6 by dyeing them a more glamorous updated gray, and it took just a few hours and kept my bathroom redo well within budget. The process was so simple and so rewarding that now I'm looking everywhere for more things around my home to dye. If you're new to Skip to My Life, welcome. I hope you'll subscribe so I can bring you even more great ideas. Now, if you love the fresh, airy feeling of nature, this next trend is for you. Bring the outdoors in by using stone, wood, and marble surfaces with touches of copper. This trend is really inexpensive and easy to incorporate in your home with the ideas I'll show you. I've linked to this marble print contact paper in my description box below, and you can cover any flat surface easily and instantly update your space with a neutral, natural element. If you've been with me for a while, you know I transformed our outdated fireplace by creating a faux stone fireplace hearth using just cardboard boxes and peel and stick floor tiles. Now, floor tiles are so inexpensive and easy to work with, and they bring an instant update and touch of nature to any room. I have used these on small projects like lining the inside of cabinets, as well as large projects like this faux hearth. Even if you don't have a green thumb, you can easily add a touch of nature with inexpensive faux greenery and affordable pots like these from Dollar Tree. And I like to mix real and faux plants in my decor for an even fuller look with less upkeep. These unfinished wood spice racks from IKEA are affordable and functional, and you can also look for affordable plates and dinnerware in every color at Dollar Tree, as well as inexpensive silk florals that can add a touch of nature to every single room of your home. I recently discovered this hack using spackle mixed with a bit of gray paint and school glue to create a stone look for any object. Now, high-end stores like Pottery Barn charge premium prices for this trendy look, but you can create it for just a few dollars. Don't forget to add scents from nature like lemon and mint to refresh your home for spring. Loud reptile and tiger prints have been replaced with subtler tone animal prints in updated decor, so don't shy away from including some of these in your home. As a reaction to all the serious news we've had in the last few years, decor trends are embracing add a little bit of whimsy and fun to our decors. Whether that is bright colors, high contrast objects, or fun lifestyle elements like this drink cart, add some fun to your environment. Alternative lighting like these twinkle lights, which I've linked to below, is one of the quickest and easiest ways to add some fun, but you don't have to spend a lot to bring in some of those whimsical high contrast elements. I have done many videos in the past teaching you how to dupe the Mackenzie Childs checks and stripes. Just one or two fun pieces like a patterned throw pillow or some bright silk flowers are all it takes to make your small home look and feel fun and fresh. I transformed this forgotten corner of our kitchen counter from drab to dazzling with just a few elements that cost me less than $10 in a previous video. Now it makes all the difference in adding some fun to the first part of my day. The question of the day is, which decor style fits you best? Comment below and let me know. No matter what style you embrace, most of us feel we need more storage. Organizing containers, shelves, and furniture pieces are having a big moment this year. No longer hidden away in dark closets and drawers, useful storage in muted shades and natural materials are taking center stage in our homes. My husband and I live in an 1,100 square foot rental, so storage space is at a premium, and we have recently mounted these decorative shelves above our bathroom mirrors for storing occasional use and overflow items. I made this slender 3-tier tray for just $5 with 3 trays and 2 candlesticks from Dollar Tree. Now it's perfect for our kitchen table, and it also doubles as a centerpiece when we entertain. Don't overlook boxes and containers you already have on hand for drawer organization. These bins from Dollar Tree took on new life with just a coat of spray paint. Walmart is another great place to look for affordable and functional storage that's attractive. If you're new to Skip to My Life, I sure hope you'll subscribe so you don't miss out on the fun coming up. And if you're coming back, let me tell you just how much I appreciate each and every one of you. I read every single comment and you all mean the world to me. This just may be my favorite decor trend because it reminds me why we are making all this effort in our homes. It's really because of the family and friends we love, and we should have reminders of them all around us. Now, you may already have family photos on display, but consider adding precious items you may have packed away to your home's decor. These shutters and tin garden pail greet me with nostalgia and warmth when I enter our home. And of course, our home revolves around our 2 fur babies, Franklin and Bella. Special places for them to get cozy are scattered everywhere. If you'd like Franklin and Bella to give your pet a shout out in an upcoming episode, just leave their name in a comment below. No matter how you choose to update your home this spring, I want to encourage you to please yourself instead of trying to impress or be trendy. My favorite objects are things like this sea glass that reminds me of my son, ticket stubs from events we've attended, or a favorite photo gift from my sister. And lately I've been drawn to old books, especially those with a family story. This book of poetry belonged to my mother-in-law, and she gifted it to me. Items like these that bring me a smile to my face or a little sunshine in my day are the very best decor, no matter the size or the style of your home. Thanks so much for coming along today. As always, I really hope that you got some ideas you can put to immediate use in your home today. And until we see each other again, I just want to remind you that today is not the end of your story. No matter what's happening in your life, don't you give up. Until we see each other next time, this is Shannon from Skip to My Life.